Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has identified Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.29. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced an increase of 2.98%. This results in an average return of 0.27% per day since being designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 14.6% to positive 24.6%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 45.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 39.36% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $0 and $26.20. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline: Supermicrocomputer stock price up approximately 0.7% on Wednesday. The Supermicrocomputer stock price gained approximately 0.7% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025. The stock rose from $42.91 to $43.21. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.14%, with a day low at $42.78 and a day high of $44.55. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by nearly 3% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 12 million more shares traded than the day before. 34 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $101.40, and the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 57.39% or $58.19 below the 52-week high, and 64.84% or $79.69 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicro Incorporated, ticker symbol SMCI, has recently unveiled an expansive portfolio of over 30 enterprise artificial intelligence solutions tailored for NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture. This innovation is anticipated to significantly enhance AI factory deployments in the European market. This strategic move positions Supermicro advantageously in the rapidly growing AI infrastructure sector, potentially driving short-term stock price increases as investor interest heightens in response to new product offerings. Moreover, Supermicro is collaborating with Ericsson to improve enterprise connectivity for edge AI systems, a partnership likely to accelerate the adoption of AI technology. This collaboration, combined with Supermicro's innovative liquid cooling technologies, is expected to contribute to long-term growth as the demand for efficient AI infrastructure continues to rise. In recent weeks, SMCI stock has experienced considerable momentum, appreciating nearly 5% in a single day and over 35% in a month, driven by positive analyst ratings and significant partnerships, including a $20 billion venture with Saudi Arabia's Datavolt. Analysts are optimistic, predicting that the stock may reach $60 per share by summer 2026. These developments not only reinforce the bullish sentiment among investors, but also highlight the potential for sustained price appreciation as the AI market continues to expand. With increasing traction in AI and strategic alliances, Supermicro's prospects appear promising, suggesting a potential for robust stock performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, it was reported that KGI Securities assigned SMCI a neutral rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a neutral rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to the stock of Supermicro Computer. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided the stock with a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. The Supermicro Computer stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $42.70 and $38.90. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been detected, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 6.37%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 18 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal, 4 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal, 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal, 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $42.47, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.77 between its high and low, which represents a change of 4.14%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with established track records or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 44 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $43.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $42.47. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, David E. Wygant conducted an insider sale of 67,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Wally Liao Yishine conducted an insider sale of 177,600 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Charles Liang conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Charles Liang conducted another insider sale of 15,306 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Sarah Lu Liang Chu conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 75.614. Overall, insiders purchased 8,134,875 shares and sold 979,757 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $41.36, reflecting a decline of 4.28%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top that was identified 17 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Supermicrocomputer stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of June, we expect Supermicrocomputer to open higher by 0.03 of a dollar and begin trading at $43.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.